True. Touche.
Student of lunchtime, oh, when they know it. Grabbing all these lunch trays, they belly gon' be full, boy. LCH dough, boy, we got lots of dough, boy. Eat your vegetables, boy, you gonna be a grown boy. You know when that gondola come through with that soda, we gon' be drinking and munching on gondolas.
Kumaku, two food as a substitute. Value meal, you know we do. Salad bar. I'm about to get some chicken soup and some wedges too. Cause your boy got $2 for the a la carte. Cause this man got 2 waters walking. Cause running be on the hectic. All I want is a chef salad and a breadstick.
Put my bag up, then I hit the lunch line. Only use a blue tray, you know it's a good day. First I grab a milky cause I tolerate that lactose. Then I snag a water cause you know I need a backup. Eating extra healthy, I said thank you Miss First Lady. Cop the value meal and I eat it on the daily. When I smell the aroma, I get left in food coma. Got a breadstick, so I guess I hit a lick.
Okay, so we in the salad bar, got the tray out the cart, about to get the soup, and you know I need the fruit and that chocolate milk too. My lunch account -2, but Pat get me through. You know I need the salt for my wedges cause they tart. I'm riding through that lunch line with no ID, but I am fine. She asked, what's your name, sir? I say, J for my answer. She say you are negative, but you know I'm the blood, so she put me positive. She deserve a hug. So now I'm smashing food with my whole crew.
Student love lunchtime, oh, when they know it. Grabbing all these lunch trays, they belly gon' be full, boy. LCH dough, boy, we got lots of dough, boy. Eat your vegetables, boy, you gonna be a grown boy. You know when that gondola come through with that soda, we gon' be drinking and munching on gondolas.